All right, so let's see what's going on with Horace, man. He been down here now going on over an hour, and the tractor still hasn't crunk up yet. What we got going on?
Nothing, man. I thought you did your dinner, man.
Do what?
I just my bad too damn weak in that car, man. I just went there. It light the truck one time. I got off the truck again. Young lady said she's gonna fire this time. Every time I do it too fast. So this time I'm trying to let it sit there for a while longer. This time, then for it to fire up. Look at that, man. Took off me. I think it's staying off me.
Why you think of the alternator? It should tell you in the truck if the alternator going in the tractor.
Alternator sure purpose. Alternator charger. Well, it got to be the goddamn battery. That'd be. Last Friday, Gus had jumped with the damn truck. Jumped with the damn truck, man.
Think that truck that might be stronger?
It might be, Cal. It might be a little stronger than mine. Where you bear on the driver's side?
I don't know.
Damn, man. Over here, my little barrel ain't work for shit. I had my truck and Gus' truck Friday before it jumped off. Damn, man, then boom, just fired right up. Damn, man. Yeah.
These things you got to deal with now when you're dealing with this equipment.
Yeah,
you're going to have these issues every now and then.
Yeah, up and down, stuff like that happen.
Hey, I got some oil though for y'all to change the oil.
Thank you, man. What about me some damn greasing oil?
I got your 2 5-gallon buckets.
You put them Gus' truck?
Yeah.
I need to change this bit tomorrow. Go to get me up, I need to change this bit tomorrow, dog. Please,
Oh,
dog.
you want the one out of my truck?
What's that?
I gave Gus 2 5-gallon buckets of oil.
Okay. If I need a filter?
Get the filter, you got to give me the filter. You can get the filter from Napa.
Right. I don't want them joker boy. Yes, sir. JoJo need it bad too, boy.
ASAP.
Yes, sir. If you got two
And then make a note on here what day we did it.
Right. Gus did it last time. He wrote it down last time. If you grade Gus 2 5-gallon, one of them mine, one of them Gus.
That'll be enough to do the tractor, the truck, and the other tractor?
Yeah. You put 2 5-gallon on there.
Yeah.
This here gonna hold like 4 gallons. This here will. Lucia hold
4
like,
gallons?
Huh?
This tractor hold 4 gallons?
4 gallons. It's two tanks on mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lucia gonna hold like 3 gallons.
Of oil?
Oh. Yes, sir, free buddy. Yes, sir.
And then what about the truck?
Oh, the truck bag got in a hole on that truck. If you got 2 5-gallon enough for both tractor and Gus truck.
Okay.
Last time. Gus got my number. He'll get it for me. Come on, baby.
There it is right there.
Oh, wait, that's right. A little bit more.
Why you just don't crank it?
Huh?
That's it.
You gotta go. Damn, man. Yeah. Told you these wheels live out long, man. God damn, that's all they do.